Today I share with you how I cook this delicious and mouth-watering smoking jollof rice. This is one of those jollof rice you can easily get done by yourself because not everywhere you go they are going to serve you this rice. So sweetie, let me show you how to get this done. To begin, I'm going to be adding oil in a pan, then adding this already cooked goat meat. I'm going to fry the goat meat until it fry and come out perfect like this. At this point, it fries so nice, all I do is to separate the meat from the oil. Now that I get everything done, all I do is to keep it aside. It looks so delicious. On the same oil, we are going to be adding tomato paste and then just stir that a little bit. The same minute we are going to be adding garlic. Over here we have already chopped garlic, just a little bit of it, and next is to adding is onions, and then allow this to get fried about 10 to 15 minutes. Before we proceed, all I do is just to be stir frying that until it gets fried. So next is for us to prepare is the tomato base. Over here we need tomato puree. I'm just going to add in the tomato and at the same time add in this red bell pepper. So after adding the red bell pepper, next is for me to add in is these onions. All I do now is to blend the three ingredients together until it comes out so perfect. So guys, at this point, you don't need to add in water. Just blend that. It's going to blend and come out perfect like this. This machine really did a great job. It don't even take me time to get all this blend. At this point, the tomato have fried so nice and it fried so perfect. Now we are going to be adding tomato base inside the stew, and then next is to add in is pepper. Next we are adding is nut cube, and then adding curry powder, then adding thyme. Next is to add in salt to taste and then stir that together. Have you shared this recipe, sweetie? So you need to share. So now we are going to allow this to cook until it come out perfect like this. This is 20 minutes of cooking this stew. It cooks so nice at this point and everything done so perfect. So allow your tomato to cook before you proceed. At this point, you are going to be adding this washed rice. Over here, you have the washed rice. I just adding everything at this point. Many of you will say the stew is too much. No, it's not too much because we want to eat the most delicious rice ever. Next is to add in is the meat stock. So after adding the meat stock, all I do is to stir together. So adding this water, guys, just adding the water that is going to enable the rice to cook at once. Since I have a lot of stock, I don't need to be adding any other water. I just cover that for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, this is what it look like. It's pumping so perfect, and then all I do now is to turn that together. This is just so perfect. Like this rice is everything. So look at the stew now, everything is coming together at this point. So I will still going to cover the same way for another 10 minutes. Just cover again like this for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, this is what it look like. At this point, the stew is getting dry with the rice, so it's getting smoky at this point. So yeah, so what I do now is to stir again, and then at this point you are going to be adding foil paper. So the foil paper is going to enable the rice to drink any excess oil, and I'm still going to allow the rice to dry and then come out perfect. So that is why you need foil paper at this point. So next is for us to be adding coconut oil inside this pan, then adding onions, then stir that a little bit, and then next is for us to add in is this pepper. I just add in 1 teaspoon of it and then stir. Just fry the pepper for 1 minute, and 1 minute later I need to add in carrot. Next is to stir that together. So once that get dissolved, I add in this thyme, and at the same time add in this chicken cube. I just make use of one and at the same time stir that together. So once everything gets combined, next is for me to be adding is this corn, then adding green beans and stir. So once I stir that again for 2 minutes, and next is for us to add in is the goat meat. So over here we have the already fried goat meat. I add that and stir that together. So once that get combined like this, next is for us to be adding is this red, yellow, and green bell pepper. I just pour everything in and then stir. Have you shared this recipe? Oh my goodness, like this is so perfect. So now our rice has cooked and everything is ready. Over here we have the rice. At this point, like this rice has smoked perfectly, like everywhere is so scenting so perfect. Like it was so amazing at this point. You see that every oil have dried, the stew, everything have come together along with the rice. Now everything is just so perfect. Look at your jollof rice. Like one spoon of this rice is going to make you to ask for more. It was so delicious. Now you are going to be adding the fried vegetable and the meat together and stir. Have you share? Like, have you share? You need to try this, guys. Like, you need to try the jollof rice. You are going to see that it's going to be different and different than whatever jollof rice you have made so far. Just adding your rice direct to your stew. Okay, so let your stew to be much. Once your stew is much, use it to coat this rice. Like, you are going to enjoy every bit of it. It was so delicious, guys. Like, it was so delicious. You see how scanty this rice come. Like, it not even stink together. It's not even stick together. Everything come out so perfect. Like, you are going to use this for any occasion, and the same time eat this for any get together is going to serve you. Like, anyone that eat this with you is going to appreciate you. Like, it was so delicious. Look at that. Now all you need to do is to share for others to see, like, this food is so delicious. Take note of this recipe and try it for your friends and your family. You are going to appreciate yourself for getting this done. So sweetie, I love you. See me eating this rice. It was so sweet. In my next one, bye.